Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to buy the lucky eggs on your Pokemon Go account. So at first, just open your phone, and as you open your phone, just open the Pokemon Go app from wherever it is located. And as you open your Pokemon Go app, it takes a while to load because it depends on your internet speed. So all you have to do is just wait until it loads. And guys, as it loads, you're in this home page. So just stay at this home page and look at the middle bottom where you can see that Pokeball and just click on there. And as you click it, go for the option shop. And guys, as you open the shop page, just scroll all the way down, where you can see this lucky eggs right here. You have two options, either you want to get the 1 lucky ball or the 8 lucky ball all together. So just select any of those you want to get. And also guys, you need PokeCoins to get these lucky eggs for yourself. So guys, that's how you get the lucky eggs on your Pokemon Go account. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.